Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix failed to log in or sign in error on Pokemon Go app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are trying to sign into this game app and you're getting this failed to log in error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you want to try a different account or ensure you are using the right account, such as email. If your email can't, you can try to use a different account or email to see if you can log in. But should this not work, then you want to reconnect your app to the internet. Just turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi or internet connection and see if you can log in. But if this didn't work for you, then we need to troubleshoot Pokemon Go game app. For that, first you want to go to your game app and access its app info page. You can do this by just long pressing on your app, and you can see we have app info here. However, if you don't have that option, then you can also access Pokemon Go app info page through settings. For that, go to your smartphone and look for settings. From settings, look for apps, and then under apps, go to manage apps. If you don't see manage apps, you should see all apps. This will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, just search for Pokemon Go. And here we have our Pokemon Go app. And now once you are on the app info page, first go to force stop the app and okay. Then go to clear data, choose clear all cache and okay. Again, clear data and clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and go to your app. So look for Pokemon Go app here and now try to log in. And now everything should be okay. However, if this failed, then you want to check if there is any update. Go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for your app. So I'll search for Pokemon Go app here and see if there is any update. Update your app to the latest version to fix any error that might be associated with this app. So by using any of this, now your app should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of these methods was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.